Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just recorded my reaction to Chubby's Padan Muka, so if you guys haven't watched that, I'm gonna upload that one first, so make sure you guys go and watch that first, okay? So, hi! Lama tak jumpa? Ya ke lama tak jumpa? Entah. So, today I would be reacting to this song by Yonnyboii and Azlan and The Typewriter. Tajuk dia Kelabu. Lagu ni ada dekat trending list. So, I was curious and I just want to react to it. Tak salah kan? I tak pernah dengar lagu Yonnyboii. I tak tahu siapa tu. I tak tahu music dia best ke tak. So, I would be knowing all that only today. But Azlan and The Typewriter though, bukan ke Azlan and The Typewriter ni dulu nama dia Meet Uncle Hussein, right? Because I remember back when I was in college, I used to really like their songs. Entahlah lirik dia betul ke tak pun tak tahu, but Meet Uncle Hussein, I really loved Meet Uncle Hussein punya music. So I think that they are called Azlan The Typewriter now. I don't know. Kalau saya salah, betulkan saya dekat bawah. Kalau saya betul, yay! Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys hit the like button down below and comment lah. Janganlah bagi saya cakap sorang-sorang dekat screen ni. Lepas tu kat bawah comment section tu lalat je terbang, nyamuk je terbang, macam tak ada siapa-siapa kat bawah tu. Comment lah, okay? Make conversation with me. Let's all be friends, okay? Let's jump straight into reacting to Kelabu by Yonnyboii and Azlan and The Typewriters. Yay! Saya cakap tanpa gagap atau tersasul. Yes! Is this like going to be a very laju song, or is this going to be a sedih song? Kita hanya akan tahu lepas tengok. You guys, seriously, if you guys haven't listened to Chubby's Padan Muka, please go and listen to it. It's a really good song. Sebab while I'm recording this reaction, that song is in my head right now. Like, sayang padan muka. Whoa! It's so good. Go and listen, okay? Or else just go and watch my reaction previously. It's in the pinned comment down below. Okay, let's listen. Kelabu, Yonnyboii, Azlan and The Typewriter. What's that? Oh, is their signature? Okay. Ini lagu laju ke lagu slow ni? What is all that? Is that like a name card? Oh no, is that like an SS card? Or is it a pen drive? Okay. Seems like a slow song.
Ku tidak mau hanya kata-kata diriku. Ku takut akan janji jadi liraku keluh. Ku hanya mau rasa diriku dipeluk. Ku sediakan payung untuk engkau berteduh. Maafkan salah silap, ku tahu yang aku ni bersalah. Ku hanya mau jadi tempat untuk mengaruh kau susah. Walau hanya mampu berdiam, walau hanya mampu mendengar isi hati kau, aku senang. Janji sifat kau tak berpakai.
Oh, that's sad. It's like adik-beradik ke? Lepas tu seorang dah tak ada.
Hatiku sedih, jiwaku risau, mataku.
Ni suara siapa ni? Yonnyboii ke? Sedapnya suara dia. I thought Yonnyboii was like a rapper tinggi.
Oh yeah, ya aku tahu kau mahu ku senyum, tapi hati ini semakin mentuntut bangun. Ku tidak mau hanya kata-kata diriku. Ku takut akan janji jadi ku keluh. Ku hanya mau rasai diriku dipeluk. Ku sediakan payung untuk engkau berteduh.
Actually, what's going on is the adik like addicted to drugs and the brother tried to hide it? Is that what's going on? Did you see that? Oh, tu je ke video dia?
Ku takut akan janji jadi
Sedih lah bodoh. Okay, that was really sad. I wasn't expecting that, but that is really sad. Oh my god, that just totally killed my vibe and my mood. That was sad. Okay, sorry. I was not expecting that, but that was actually sad. So I think the story is about these two brothers. I'm gonna say brothers instead of friends because it seemed more like a brotherly kind of relationship. Si abang dengan si adik, and si adik dia is like addicted or a drug addict, I think. And then abang dia macam try nak tolong dia like by hiding the drug which was inside the pomade box, and he tried to hide it, but then something happened and he tried to give the drugs back, or maybe it was some kind of medication. Tapi kalau medication, kenapa abang dia nak suruh kan? So I would assume it was some kind of drug, and when the adik kind of pengsan, he took the drug and tried to give it back to him, but it was too late. Adik dia mati. That's the reason why he goes missing. So when the brother gets too sad and when he tries to suicide by jumping from the building, adik dia datang tolong, and bila dia pandang balik, tengok adik dia dah tak ada. So it's like the little brother try to come back and help the brother. This is so sad. Oh my god, no. Okay. I don't have siblings, okay, so I'm good. I'm chill, but it was just sad. You see, my eyes are like watering. What the hell? No, I wasn't expecting that. Maybe that's why I'm like macam tak sangka kan, macam it's like I was like I was like hit by, to be honest, I expected it to be a fast beat song. I wasn't expecting that. That was sad. Menyesal ke aku tengok video klip tu tadi? Tak juga. The song was good, but it's just sad. I don't really like sad stuff. I don't like sad movies. I don't like sad songs. I just don't like sad stuff. Okay. It was a good song. The song is really nice. Guys, I tak tahu nak cakap apa. The song was really nice. I don't know why is it called Kelabu. Is it because there's no more colors in your life? Because you dah macam it's, I think the song is kind of like talking about depression and stuff like that, because he's also saying like he wants to be needed, macam dia nak diperlukan, like something like that. It's something like more like towards mental health, depression and stuff like that, addiction and all that. So I think the song has a very good message. I don't know if I get to find a suicide prevention hotline number. I will leave it here. I feel really sad right now because I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, tak tahu kenapa lagu tu tak ada dekat trending yang tinggi sikit. It was like around 20 is something, and the view was only like 500,000, like 500k saja kot. Like come on, push the views up for the song. It deserves more than 500,000 views. It was a really really nice song. I've heard a lot of trashy Malaysian songs, but that was really good. I really like it. Will I listen to it again? Probably not, sebab sedih sangat. But I really like the song. It was really good. But the two guys though on the rooftop kan, bila diorang pakai baju tuxedo Kelabu tu, they kind of reminded me of these two funny dudes in Cicak Man. Do you guys remember Cicak Man? I rasa AC Mizal dengan Adli Nama Ramli kot. Kalau I jumpa gambar apa yang I tengah cuba nak cakap ni, I will insert it here. But besides that, I really like the whole concept of the music video. It was really good. Nasib baik I tak tiba-tiba menangis ke apa kan. I mean, that would be really embarrassing, but I'm glad I did not cry. But it was really nice. It was really sad, but it was nice. I'm glad I watched it and I reacted to it on camera. Cuma tak sangka pasal tu I macam taken aback a bit because I wasn't expecting a sad song. I was expecting something. It was good. It was good. Okay, alright? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below, conversate with me. Jangan lupa subscribe, guys. Itu je yang nak cakap, subscribe lah, because I'm just at 500 plus subscribers and saya dah actually bulan 9 depan I will be hitting my 1 year in YouTube and I only have like 500 plus subscribers, so I hope I could hit at least 1000 by then. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, okay? Support me. I'm a Malaysian Indian girl and I'm just doing YouTube because I got nothing else to do. So until I see you guys in my next video, bye. Sedih lah.